was memorable the way that the session was presented, especially the monkeys. Highly recommend. It was really engaging. I think a lot of times nowadays we just sit and listen to people lecturing. It was so engaging, it was fun, it was enjoyable.
How many of you here could relate to at least one of these monkeys?
The biggest takeaway from the session was really learning clear and actionable ways to look after well-being and get these monkeys off our backs. So we looked a lot into the emotional distress and learned how to challenge our beliefs that might be limiting us and really clear ways to look after ourselves and enhance the way that we get these monkeys off our backs. I would definitely recommend this program. I think it breaks down quite a complex topic into really simple ways of understanding it and really good ways to action it and take it through your life. Highly recommend.